Hey guys, welcome back. It's a hot day out here in Goa, and in today's video, I have some accessories that I bought for my Tata Tiago from online shopping for a reasonable price. So, guys, let's take a look and install them on my Tata Tiago EV. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and share. Firstly, we have chrome handles, door latch covers. This will go here on the doors like this. So I'm going to start installing them one by one for all the doors. This thing is very easy to install. Just remove the protection from the tape and then stick it. Have this door visors, and that will go somewhere here. So this will go here. Next we have this side beading molding. This will go on the side of the door. I have already marked it with some chalk and now I'm going to stick it. I used my digital inclinometer to keep everything leveled. This is stainless steel footstep and this will go here. And the smallest plate will go here. But before that, I'm going to put some scratch proof tape to cover the unprotected area to protect from scratches. Now this door guards, I had installed it on accessory shop and they charged me 500 rupees for this. But if you see online, you can find it way cheaper. I checked it and I found it for rupees 250. The last thing left to install is this dicky trim, and this will go here. So guys, we are done with the installation. This is the best option to buy for the accessories from online if you want for a cheaper price than the showroom price. The quality of these accessories are not the best but usable. The total cost of these accessories came around 4,300. I will give the link for this website and the accessories pricing in the description below. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time, and I'm going to end this video with a small walk around of my car. See you guys. Bye.